Okay, so what happens if you want to attach an ear to your pot or something else on the side? This is better on a curved pot. As we talked about with my robot, there was a lot of scaffolding needed, but curves are a bit easier to attach to when you get to 3D printing. So let me show you how I did this ear. Look at that beautiful rounded ear. I'm going to show you how I did that, and then I'll show you how to mirror it to the other side, or not quite to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of my extrude and get rid of my sketch. Right, so this is much easier if you've actually thought to center your pot so that you have a plane that goes through the center. So if you can see that, my front plane goes right smack bang through the center. But remember, your front plane, and it doesn't have to be your front plane. If you've done it sideways, whatever you want to use, it would be really good if we had a plane that went through the center. If you don't have a plane that goes through the center, you can ask for assistance, or you can follow the video that shows you how to offset a plane. Okay, so I have a plane going through the center. I'm going to use the front plane like that, okay? And I'm going to draw on it. So let's do a sketch. Let's do a circle on the front plane. Now, I've done a little bit of experiment before, and I find that the circle is better if it's not on this line, if it's a little bit above this line. So draw. I'm making mine match up to the top, but it's not a big deal if you don't want to. You make it whatever shape you want. Oh, that's a bit small. Yeah, okay, so now you'll see that if I rotate, I have a circle just at the halfway point on that pot. Okay, so now that I have a circle, I can rearrange it, I can move it, I can resize it. I can use the Smart Dimension tool to resize it. I have an ear, and so I'm going to extrude this, and then I'm going to fillet it to make it curved. So let me show you how to do that. So exit sketch. I'm now going to select that sketch, features, extrude. Right, so let's have a look at it side on. And you'll see that it is extruding in one direction. And I think that's probably best. If you extruded mid-plane, let me show you that, then the ear looks like it's really smack bang in the middle of the head, and I don't think that's quite what you want. I don't know. You can choose. So about 1 centimeter I thought was about right, because it gives you some depth and it means you can fillet it. And you can even carve it out if you really want to give it a little bit of an impression, but that's beyond the scope of this video. Okay, so we've got a 1 centimeter ear. If you hate it, make it smaller or bigger or whatever you want to do. Okay, and then I'm going to fillet this. I want to fillet two edges. I want to fillet this front edge and this back edge, just to make it nice and curved. So let me select an edge and click fillet. And so it's saying the items to fillet are edge 1, because that's the edge that I had selected. I'm going to click on edge 2 as well, so that it's both of these edges of the coin shape that is the ear. Just for your benefit, it's much better to do this if you've already filleted the pot. It's going to end up with so if you haven't already shelled out the pot, because it's going to end up with a weird shape if you have. But it's fixable, it's weird. Okay, so I've got this thing here, and now I've got both edges. I don't want a 1 centimeter radius. I want it to be curved, so I want 5 millimeters on either side. So let's have a go at that and click the tick button, and you'll see that now it's a lovely curved ear. Okay, the last step is to make 2 ears instead of 1 ear. And actually let me just show you that. I can decide that this is not in exactly the right place. So I can actually move, I can move this shape if I want to by editing edit the sketch, and I can decide that actually that's not what I want. I want it a little bit lower, or I want it a bit higher. I found with my experiments that sitting it right on the corner there was actually the best look for me, but up to you. So once you've done that, you exit Sketch, make sure it's all ready to go, and now we're going to mirror that to the other side. Okay, so let's click on the thing that we're going to mirror, and we're going to click on Mirror. Okay, we want this to be mirrored to the other side, and we want to mirror it on the 50% mark. So where's halfway across here? Let's have a look. Well, we're drawing on the front plane right now, so the middle of the pot is the right plane. So if you have a look, that's going to pop that up over the other side. Let's have a look at what that looks like. And you'll notice that you have the ear on the other side now, and you just have to fill it that again. So we can click on this side and this, shift to select two things at once. Click that fill it button. You should remember the settings from before. Yes, 5 millimeters, and we click tick. And then once you've got the ears, you can shell out the inside. Okay, if you don't want the ears to perfectly match on either side, there is a thing you can do. It's a little bit trickier, but I'm just going to undo the last couple of steps, and we will now, I'll show you how to do that. So we're not going to mirror this, we're going to do something else. So there's a thing here that's called circular pattern. And it's really good for making holes. If I want to pattern this ear so that there are two of them, you'll see that it's now currently doing exactly the same thing as a mirror. It's placed my ear on the opposite side of the head because it's spacing equally around 360 degrees, and it's spacing two of them. We don't want more than two ears. But what you can do, which is kind of fun, is instead of equal spacing, you can say angle spacing, and then I was going to go 1 degree at a time. Let's go a little bit more than that, 160. And so you see how from the top I can see that the ears aren't perfectly in alignment. They're kind of tilted forward a little bit, which is a little bit more realistic. So once I tick that, now you'll see that my ears are kind of tilted in rather than flat on either side, and you can fill it from there.